How to create a Telegram channel. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a Telegram channel to share updates, news, or any content with your audience. So be sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the pencil icon or menu button, depending on your device. Now select New Channel from the options. Enter a name for your channel and add a description to let people know what it's about. You can also upload a profile picture to give it a professional look. Next, choose whether you want your channel to be public or private. Public channels can be found through search, while private channels require an invite link to join. After setting everything up, tap Create and add members from your contacts if needed. Once done, your Telegram channel is ready. You can start posting messages, images, and videos for your audience. You can also pin important messages and assign admin rights if you want others to help manage the channel. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.